Andyan pala kayo. Good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel and today is anong araw today? Today is Saturday, December 19, 2020 at kakagising ko lang and as you can see, I'm still wearing the same clothes I was wearing yesterday and I think it's fine kasi nasa bahay lang naman din ako. So yun, it's actually 10:20 in the morning and I just woke up guys. Actually, 10 minutes ago I woke up and yeah, I feel fresh today. Outside is very cold, a bit dark, but it's fine. And I'm gonna show it outside, guys, just so you feel what is it today. What is it today? How does it feel today? Wait lang. Aking window, guys. And by the way, I bought this the other day. These flowers here. I bought them the other day and sobrang mura ko siyang nabili. Ito pala yung wedding yung wedding bouquet ko very long time ago. Andyan pa rin siya dried. And this one, I bought it the other day kasi nga I've been seeing a lot of mga pictures sa Pinterest na ganito yung ginagamit. And I've been really looking forward for this. Pero namamahalan ako guys because when I look at it online, it would cost me a bouquet like this like 100 plus kroner. But then I saw it in the supermarket na naka-sale siya. Isang klaseng ganito, parang pungpong na ganito guys. Nasa 15 kroner lang. So bumili ako ng 4. So yeah, and it's gonna be my forever flower. Ito naman ay ang walang kamatayan na anong tawag niya? Walang kamatayan na cactus ko. And, tagal na niyan sa akin, mga years na, 5 years na ata. And then, this is the outside. Yan yung outside, guys. Yan. Baka maglalakad-lakad ako later. Yun, guys, mas chika pala ako sa inyo. The other day nga, nag-lockdown dito sa Denmark. And then, sabi lahat, ay magsisirado except yung supermarket na doon kailangan bumili ng mga food, mga essentials natin. And then pharmacy, yun lang yung open. And then there is another shop. It's called Normal Shop. Normal, like normal. That's the name of the shop, guys. And then in there, you can buy vitamins. But they're also having a lot of different kinds of things na kailangan sa bahay. There's also some beauty, ganyan. So, I found out. So, namblema ako the other day kasi hindi pa talaga ako nakabili ng mga gift. Kasi dito sa Denmark, when it's Christmas, they have this tradition where you will play a game. For example, there will be a dice. And then you're gonna do this and drop it to the table, on the table. And then, when the person, like, that dice will be like by turns. So, when you get the six dots, that means you can choose gifts, things like that. But anyway, so Martin has to bring 3 gifts for that game, and I also have to bring 3 gifts for that game, and everybody will have gifts there on the table, and you will play the game and you will win. And so yun, hindi pa ako prepared nun kasi nga that day parang kailan ba yun? No, Wednesday. I was thinking, okay, Wednesday I was working. And then on Thursday, I'm off. So I was thinking, okay, on Thursday, the next day, I'm gonna go to the shopping mall and I'm gonna buy all the things needed for Christmas and for New Year, ganon. Pero, Wednesday evening, nag-announce na, the next day is gonna be lockdown, close lahat. Namumblima ako guys kasi parang, hindi pa ako nakabili ng mga gifts and it's gonna be at Martin's mother yung Christmas evening, so it would be so shameful naman to go there when they were so prepared with everything, and me and Martin is like have nothing because nga sirado lahat. And so as I was searching online, ano bang shop na open na pwede na mabilhan, so yun yung Normal Shop. Open sila, so napunta kami doon. Actually, may shop na ganyan dito, malapit lang, pero still driving distance away. And alam niyo naman, hindi ako marunong mag-drive. And napakalayo if lalakarin ko. So, me and Martin, I think the last Friday was it Friday? Saturday? No, last Thursday evening. Yeah, Thursday evening, sabi ko sa kanya, I'm really worried kasi wala pa tayong gift and ganyan. And maybe we could go out and try to find, kasi nabasa ko open daw yung shop na yun. So, napunta kami doon. And then I'll show you yung pinamili ko. Okay lang ipakita. It's because hindi naman nag-YouTube yung parents ni Martin. Wait lang. Nakapamili na ako guys. So, pero I'm going to be wrapping them later today. I'll show you. It's actually funny in a way. This one, oh my god, don't. This one is a mystery bag. Hindi ko din alam what's inside. But it costed 49 kroner. So, hindi ko alam anong inside. And then, medyo mabigat siya. So, I think there's multiple products there. Gusto ko sana silipin guys, pero wag na lang. So, anyway, may ganito ako, 49 kroner. Ito din, 49 kroner. So, may dalawang gift na kami. And then, this one also. Yan, kasi na-feel ko kasi parang yung mama ni Martin, na siya, pensionist na siya, so she's always at home. So, I think it would be nice to have some gift na pang bahay. And, mabango siya, guys. Parang naamoy nyo naman. Mabango siya, guys. And I bought it for, I don't know, like 15 kroner kasi siya naka-sale. And maganda naman siya, I think. Kahit maliit lang. Okay na yan. So, may 3 gifts na. And then, this one, the chocolates was like 20 kroner each. And sabi ni Martin, okay, nakakakain din naman yung mama niya at saka yung husband ng mama niya ng chocolate. So, 1, 2, like the 20 kroner yung isa, guys. So, we got 5 already. And then this one, I said to Martin, we have to buy something. Alam mo yun, yung parang magagamit talaga nila sa bahay. And we were like confused what to give, ganyan. And then I saw this dishwasher soap. Ewan ko pa kung matutuwa yung mama niya dito. Pero pang lang naman to, pang game na price. Siya? Soap siya para sa dishwashing machine. So, yon. At least, na-complete namin guys. So parang, okay, I'm relaxed now. We get 6 things na, we get 6 things na para sa game. So, okay na. Pero kailangan ko pa ng isa kasi meron din silang tradition dito na parang every Christmas there will be, I don't know what is it called in English, parang lugaw pudding? Rice pudding. Ganyan. Tapos, kakain kayo na each of you will have a bowl of it. And then, pag kumain kayo, there will be one na ang bowl nila may almond. Tapos, whoever got it in their bowl will win. So, last year, ako yung nanalo, guys. So, I had a special gift. And then, apparently, pag ikaw yung nanalo last year, this year, ikaw yung magpre-prepare ng gift na ibigay sa parang almond na game na yon. So, hindi ko pa nabili kung ano ba talaga ang aking bibilhin. Pero, ewan ko. Kaya, hindi ko pa alam. Pero at least these are done and I'm gonna wrap it a bit later today. Yun. Tignan natin kung natutulog pa ba si Martin, guys. Hoy, Martin, wake up, oy!
Fuck off!
Wake up, ma.
Fuck off!
Make me feel. Good morning, dong. Morning ba? Why you're sleeping so long? I mean, it's already 10 in the morning. Don't be a lazy person. Get up. Get up now.
Fuck to the camera. Fuck to the holder of the camera.
Bye, oy.
I am awake. I was just on my phone.
Okay, then get up and be productive. Make me some food.
That's gonna be another fuck you. Move away.
Yeah. So, guys, nakaalis na si Martin. Natulog siya kanina ng sobrang haba and that's good. And then, nakaalis na siya. It's because he's gonna do some work again dun sa garden house namin. And ako naman, I've just been done making my food. As always, ito lang. Kasi ito yung pinakamadali. We got some leftover rice from last night. And then, niglagyan ko lang ng garlic powder, onions, ganyan. Tapos may meat din na leftover from yesterday. So I put everything in here. Tapos ready na din ang aking kape. Tapos may soya dato puti. Para masarap ang kain, guys. Yes, so it's 12:40 right now ng hapon. And it's my first meal of the day. Hindi na ako nag-breakfast kasi I woke up around 10. So, isang kainan na. So guys, i-wrap ko na itong mga gift para sa para sa games, sa Christmas. Ito siya from last year, but ito siya na na wrapper. And I kept it kasi wais tayo. There. Diyan na muna. Actually guys, ito binili ko siya ng I can't remember if it was 20 kroner or 15 kroner. 15 kroner, I think. Masarap talaga siya actually. I've tried it before and hindi ako masyadong into anong tawag yan? Hindi ako pa sweet, guys. I'm not really into chocolates, ganyan. Si Martin, sobra. Kita naman sa katawan, di ba? Mas ako, parang sa healthy. Not healthy. Salty. hindi din yun healthy. But anyway, mas yung taste ko is, asa na ba? Yung taste ko is yung mga salty kind of food. Tapos, kaya hindi ko siya. Masarap naman siya. Pero sobrang tamis nga. Isa lang yung kinain ko. And 20 kroner. And siya, parang social naman siya tingnan. So, I think kung sino makakain nito, makakakuha nito, I'm pretty sure okay naman din. And feeling ko ito yung itatarget ni Martin na makuha sa game. Kasi mahilig siya sa chocolate ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi talaga ako marunong, guys. Oh. What should be? Paano ba i-touch? Oh. Pag ganyan na lang. Perfect naman din. Wala. Daog. Hindi siya maganda sa gilid. Yan. Someday. Bukas pa tayo matatapos nito. Yan na ang aking pinagagawa. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of it. Yes. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. It's still 1:30 ng hapon, but I think I would like to take a nap kasi medyo napagod ako, guys. Ewan ko ba, ganito ba talaga pag tambay-tambay lang yung buhay? Matutulog muna ako guys, and then maybe in an hour or two, then I'll make another film. But right now, that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.